What happened to gold in October? I am analyst Muhammad Zarruq and I will explain the recent trends of the widely traded precious metal. To begin the month, gold bounced back from a spiteful September, falling almost 4% with rising US Treasury yields and a strengthening US dollar. Gold prices increased as investors expect tighter US monetary policy. However, throughout the first week, gold has been stumbling as investors were optimistic about American non-farm employment change figures. But declines were capped with a stronger dollar greenback and continuing inflation concerns. In the second week, gold has been rallying hard due to an underwhelming US September jobs report and investor fears of increasing pricing pressures, which persistently keep global markets unsettled and volatile, with investors and traders estimating that the Fed would begin stimulus initiatives next month, followed by potential rate hikes by mid-2022 and a weakening US dollar. The value of the bullion rocketed 1.81% in 2 days. In the third week of October, gold futures dropped but went back on a track with increased trader caution, conflicting national forces and inflation concerns. Towards the end of the week, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell indicated that the US Central Bank should initiate less asset purchases without raising interest rates yet. This pushed the safe haven upwards by 0.42% to value at $1,792. In the final week of an optimistic month, gold surpassed the $1,800 mark but has taken several hits over the following days. A solid dollar greenback, slipping global stocks and rising geopolitical tensions created a volatile environment for gold traders, closing in at $1,783 by the end of the week. There are expectations that gold begins rising in November. Should inflation continue to persist, which sway traders away from dollar-backed assets and attract them to the safe haven, hand in hand with the US Federal Reserve's monetary policy decision. So now, what do you think will happen to gold next month? Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.